Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to draw Navia using my own style. So, first things first, here are the materials that I will be using. If you're wondering who Navia is, well, she's a character from Genshin Impact. As it happens, I am also a Genshin Impact player, and I like Navia's design very much. Some players are calling her Taylor Swift because they look alike very much, which is not surprising because they really do have a resemblance, especially in hair. So, going back to our topic, I will be drawing her using my own style. It's a style that I've been practicing for a very long time already, but still, I haven't mastered it. I have older videos using the same art style, but it's obvious that I still struggle. Even so, I want to share this with you so we can all witness my progress and improvements. Let's talk about more Navia. Who is she? What is her personality? Well, according to Genshin Impact's lore, she has a fair skin, blue eyes, and long waist blonde hair. Navia, as the head of the Spina de Rosula, is devoted to helping people of Fontaine, being likened as a big sister who checks in on everyone. She has a sharp mind and knack for investigating, being able to analyze events from different angles and find answers that other parties may miss. Due to the struggles Navia had while growing up, she sometimes struggles to comprehend her own experience and wonders if she did anything meaningful. Despite having lost many loved ones throughout the years, particularly her parents Callas and Clementine, along with her trusted subordinates Malus and Silver, Navia still pushes on for a brighter future, not wanting their sacrifices to be in vain. Outside investigating, Navia enjoys baking, particularly macarons. So, that's all about our subject, Navia. Let's go back to our main goal. So, as I was drawing her using my own art style, I was thinking of some techniques that I can use because her face is really an anime style, and it's really not easy to adapt because, you know, implementing your own art style is not as easy as you think it is because there are still a lot of struggles that you can, face about it, and there you go. So, while I was drawing this, I actually came from a very long art block, and I still don't know how to come back peacefully because I've been experiencing a lot of problems in my life too. But I found a spark. I've seen some art styles that inspired me and pushed me through this moment that I was able to draw another piece of art. I was very happy. While drawing this, I realized that I was really made for some bigger use to this world. I was here to teach and guide others, and I was here to inspire. So, I really want to be a great artist too someday, but there are still a lot of things in my way that I really need to walk into. I am hoping for a better future, but it's really it. It is what it is. This world has gone so many things in life. So here's my signature. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much.